This video is presented by VoiceOver Article. We scrimp and save over the latest designer wear, even the hottest cars or fancy jewelry, but only a handful of people have actually thought about protecting their financial future with private medical insurance. This beauty behind having a private medical insurance is that it enables you to live your life free from unwanted worry if you were to get sick or have an accident that results in unexpected medical bills. If you're wise, you'll get coverage while you can still qualify for and afford it, which is before you need it. If you wait until you've been injured or sick, in most cases you won't qualify, and if you do, the monthly premiums will be extremely high. Although private medical insurance doesn't cover long-term illnesses, it's designed to cover the financial burden of short-term illnesses and injuries. Many people choose private medical insurance since it can be a real help for certain emergencies. An added perk of private medical insurance is that you actually get to choose which hospital you would like to be treated in, what specialist you would like to consult, and what treatment you receive. In most instances, you will also feel like your money's well spent because you'll have the added perk of having your own private room complete with a television and other comforts of home. If you are seriously thinking of buying private medical insurance, you'll have to research which one of the vast number of reputable insurance companies actually provides the best overall coverage. Which one provides the best balance between premium cost and benefits, so that if you ever need it, you'll get your money's worth with no surprises. After applying for coverage, the carrier will send you their insurance policies to ensure that you adhere to their requirements and standards. When it comes to which private medical insurance plan that'll best suits your needs and budget, it is wise to ask the insurance company that you're applying for a complete comparison analysis of the types of private medical insurance that they offer. I've listed a few samples of possible private medical insurance coverage below. Inpatient. As a patient, this is wherein you end up staying in the hospital for 1 or more days. Outpatient. From simple treatments to mere consultations, the patient is not asked to stay in the hospital for observation or recovery anymore. Day patient. Similar to inpatient coverage, this is where you still stay in the hospital but for less than a day, usually in the morning. There is actually a great range of available payment options for private medical insurance buyers, from the ever-popular, low-cost coverage, which usually offers only limited coverage, to the more extensive wide-ranging coverage and benefit plans. It is fairly simple to be approved for day and outpatient private medical insurance coverage, with inpatient being a bit more difficult due to the higher risk involved with extended hospital stays. The next step is for you to actually get yourself to a trusted physician who'll give you a checkup, so you'll be able to know based on your physician's assessment which kind of private medical plan you best fit your future needs. When it comes to choosing, you'll actually need to consider these options. Always be sure that you are fully aware of the terms that are included in your private medical insurance plan. Do you want to have your private medical plan to also allow consultations from specialists as well as outpatient treatments? Would you like to have the option of picking out which hospital you would like to be treated at, or doesn't matter where they send you to? For your application for the private medical insurance plan, companies actually need a copy of details concerning your health so that they'll be assured that you're not just simply duping them into paying for your recurrent illnesses and you may not be covered for pre-existing conditions. Finally, when it comes to submitting your claim, you need to contact your private medical insurance company first before receiving any hospital services or treatments, because you need to verify that your private medical insurance plan actually covers the treatment that you want or need to have done. Your physician as well as the resident specialist in the hospital also needs to sign your claim forms to reassure the company that you have actually been treated for the said illness or injury. This video is presented by VoiceOver article.